up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your URL submission automated. So how to automatically submit new posts, updates, new posts that you publish on your site, new pages, new products to search engines, so Bing and other important search engines. Simple, effective and free, and it's gonna use the Index Now feature. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, enter with your domain plus WP admin or WP login into your browser search bar, okay, the address bar. Enter with your username and email plus password. And you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Of course, this page may change according to the themes and plugins you are using, but you're always gonna have this left sidebar of menus. Find the plugin sub and hit the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Index Now. Index Now plugin. Here is the guide we are looking for. By Bing Webmaster Tool, so by Microsoft. This plugin has an API that connects your site with most important search engines and make the Index Now feature without needs of accounts creation or many things like this. All you have to do is click into the Activate button. Now you're going to be able to find the Index Now plugin. As soon as you click on Activate, the WordPress is going to redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Click on Let's Get Started. And you're going to be able to see all the insights right here. But what have you need to do? All you have to do is go to your posts or go to your pages and publish new content or update the content you have. So imagine that I have this post. I have made some updates on it. I hit the update button. Post has been updated. Now if I go to the Index Now, that is a new button that's gonna appear on your WordPress left sidebar of menus, you're gonna be able to find successful submissions and the URL that you have submitted with date, okay, and the status. And simple as it is, you're gonna have your posts present into a couple of useful search engines to generate traffic to your site, to more people see your site faster, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!